Ma. 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 Gulo-gulo na, ma. Ma. Hindi. Autograph. Autograph. Oh my God, kinukuha na ako ni Lord. Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Simon, say hi! Simon! Ah, good!
Hindi ko kaya tapos. Grabe, para namang nilimit mo kung anong pwede kong gawin.
Para kang sinanggalan ng karapatan.
Para namang tinanggalan nila ako ng karapatang magsalita. Dahil pwede ka. Bakit ka naka-uniform?
Final defense na uniform! Hindi rin. Each year, millions of individuals experience bone fractures that require extended healing periods. Bone-related surgeries are becoming more common, driven by the aging population and increasing bone conditions like the osteoporosis and osteoarthritis.
Dito sa characterization of DNA, so yun na lang sa lang siya, gene sweating, destruction is contaminant, and also HIR. Three-way two-way manoma, and three-way three-way manoma. O, yung sabihin mo na lang, sino nga, meaning siya sa dito man na issue, and then, yung oo, spelling test, FEAR test. Sa collection of data, sabihin mo,
As before, final defense! During final defense.
doesn't matter kasi what you're doing here with the voltage regulation is just creating a higher voltage. Pero the power output, sobrang hindi namin correct. So, yung tinaasan mo yung voltage, bababa yung correct. Kasi the
Grabe, wala sila isa. May nabubuli pa rin sa akin.
Mom! Ba't ka umiiyak? Mom! No! Aww. Mom, don't cry!
Makaabot sila sa ISEF. Yung ISEF. At UN. Baka yumaman din kayo.
Yes!
Sila pa din pa patin. Bibenta na.
Fit check. Fit check.
When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my baby, nobody can feel the ceramic come above. She had me going crazy. Oh, I was stars. No need no Starbucks. Huh? She woke me up daily. No need no Starbucks. Each year, osteoporosis-related fractures are becoming more common. By 2050, it is said that 10 million Filipinos are at high risk of this disease. And current treatments such as allografts, autografts, and synthetic implants have limitations such as disease transmission, high cost, and limited bioactivity.
Us after final defense.